children, welcome to today's English class. Today we are going to study or read the story The Milkman's Cow. Okay, who is a milkman? You know, a milkman is a person who gives milk. Okay, so the milkman's cow. Now let's read the story. The milkman's cow was in a bad mood. It sat in the middle of the road and refused to move. So the milkman's cow in a bad mood. It is in a very bad mood. So it sat in the middle of the road and refused to move. Refused means what? Rejected. It was not ready to move. It sat on the middle of the road. The milkman begged the cow to get up. The milkman requested the cow to get up. The children are waiting for their milk to help them grow strong. Please get up, he pleaded. So he requested, he said to the cow that the children are waiting for their milk. Please get up. Oh cow, please get up. The children are waiting for your milk because they want to grow strong. Okay, that is why they are drinking milk. Please get up, he requested. He pulled and tugged and prayed. He pulled the cow. Okay, he pulled the cow very strongly and prayed. Prayed means begged, requested the cow to get up. But the cow wasn't going anywhere that day. But the cow was not ready to go to anywhere that day. It sat in the middle of the road. It was not ready to move, get up. Along came a policeman, his buttons and buckles gleaming bright. At that time there came a policeman and his buttons and buckles on the belt, they are gleaming, they are shining bright. Half, he said, twirling his long mustache. I will show you how to do it right. So when he saw the milkman and the cow, he said that I will show you how to get up this cow. Okay, how to make this cow get up. Twirling. Twirling means curling. Curling is long mustache. I will show you how to make the cow get up. The policeman and the milkman pulled and tugged and prayed. Both the policeman and the milkman, they pulled and pulled the cow. But the cow wasn't going anywhere that day. But the cow was not at all moving. It was not at all getting up. Along came a grocer with bags of potatoes and peas. Then there came a grocer. Grocer is a person who sells groceries. Okay, and with a bag. And what is in his green grocery? You might have heard. Okay, those who sells vegetables. Okay, and he came with bags of potatoes and peas. He said, I will move this cow with the greatest of ease. It is a very easy thing to make this cow get up. I will move this cow, he said. The grocer, the policeman and the milkman pulled and tugged and prayed. Okay, the grocer, the policeman and the milkman, three of them began to pull and tug and beg to the cow to get up. But the cow wasn't going anywhere that day. But the cow was not ready to move. Along came a wrestler, his muscles gleaming in the sun. He said, I have the strength of 10 horses, so this should be fun. Then who came next? There came a wrestler. Who is a wrestler? A wrestler is a person who fight with others, a boxer. And his muscles were gleaming, shining in the sun. He has a strong body. Okay, he is a wrestler. So he said that I have the strength of 10 horses. Okay, so this will be very fun to make this cow Get up, it is very easy for me. The wrestler, the grocer, the policeman, and the milkman pulled and tugged and prayed. Now, the four of them, the wrestler, grocer, policeman, and the milkman, tried to make the cow get up. But the cow wasn't going anywhere that day. But the cow was not ready to move. Along came the ice cream man, jingling his cart. Cool down, it can't be too hard. So, then who came next? An ice cream man. There came an ice cream man jingling his cart, belling. Jingling means sound of bells. Okay. So he said that cool down. It can't be too hard. It is not a difficult work. The ice cream man, the wrestler, the grocer, the policeman, and the milkman pulled and tugged. The ice cream man also joined with the wrestler, grocer, policeman, and the milkman. All of them began to pull the cow with a rope. But the cow wasn't going anywhere that day. But the cow was not ready to get up. Along came a little boy. Now there came a little boy, a small boy. He began to grin. He began to laugh. Grin means laughing. Okay. He said, these grown-ups, he is making fun of elder people. Okay, they are pulling the cow, but the cow was not ready to move. So when the boy saw this, he began to laugh, smile. Okay, look at the mess they are in. Look at the mess there. Look at the problem they are in. It is not such a difficult problem. It is not at all a difficult problem. I learned in the second class that human beings eat rice and wheat and cows eat grass. Okay, so the boy says that he learned in second standard that human beings are eating rice and wheat and cows eat grass. He held out a sheaf of tasty green. Okay, so he took a bundle of tasty green grass. Sheaf of tasty green means a bundle of tasty green grass. The cow began to chew. Okay, the cow began to chew the grass. The cow began to eat the grass. He slowly led her to the side, for he knew what to do. So when the cow began to eat the grass, he slowly he made the cow to move the side of the road. Showing the grass, he gone to the side of the road. So the cow followed the boy to get the green grass. So he made the cow move from the middle of the road to the side of the road. Okay, so showing the green grass, the boy could get up, make the cow get up and come to the side of the road. The grocer clapped. The policeman twirled his stick in joy. Okay, the grocer and policeman, they clapped. The wrestler grinned. The ice cream man whooped at the cleverness of the boy. The wrestler smiled. The ice cream man said wow to the cleverness, intelligence of the boy. So everyone, the grocer, policeman, wrestler and ice cream man, everyone clapped and they become very happy. All of them congratulated the boy, appreciated the boy for his intelligence. The milkman happily clattered his pail. The milkman happily clattered. Clattered means making sound by hitting bucket. Pail means small bucket. He used to get the milk. Okay, store the milk. So he clapped. He made sound clapping the buckets. Okay. Being kind and loving is best, for force and strength can fail. Okay, so the little boy made the cow move. So everyone clapped for the intelligence of the boy. And what is the moral of the story? Being kind and loving is best. The best thing is be kind to animals. We should be kind to animals and we should love animals, and kindness and love can win everything. Okay, so kind and loving is best, for force and strength can fail. Where the force and strength fails, there we can win by kindness and love. Okay, so this is the moral of the story. We should be kind to animals and we should love everything that is around us. So I hope all of you understood this story. Thank you.